March 20th. Breakage and loss protection, free eye test and
Monarch Suite.
online at visionexpress.com. You will arrive at your destination on the left after 150 yards. Free selected stores. Vision Express is a credit record and not a lender.
So we are off swimming. So this is where we leave you.
We'll see you after.
Yeah. We think we learn how to work the codes.
You are actual idiots.
I think you use your room number. So hit start, then type in your room number, start again, and it unlocks. That's what we did on this one anyway. So we'll try it.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it's locked it. So start. 3, 2, 1, 2.
Don't tell them our password.
Lil, they won't be coming right this second. He hasn't even edited it.
2, start.
You're not going to look close to that.
Okay. Now for someone to open it.
Yeah, we are. Steam room and sauna. So Mum fixed it. You can use any number. It doesn't have to be your room number.
And you go, start. Oh my
You see what you
goodness.
have to do? Just press start.
Start, put your number in and lock.
Any 4-digit number and lock.
Yeah, and then to get out, you press start, put your number in and push this one. See, I
Oh,
told
that
you.
one?
Yeah.
That's not a button.
Oh.
That's a wireless thing. I think you just type in your 4 digits.
Oh, maybe you could tap your key on it
Oh, maybe.
if you had a key.
Anyway, our stuff was free. We released her. That good swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would
Well, I'm glad Mum released this because I wanted to wear this tomorrow.
So, 2 lockers in there. And you can get changed with your family. And then this leads you to the main bit. Changing rooms. And so out in the lobby, there's your swimming pool in there. And then you've got your lift through here. At the lifts.
Up or down?
Down. So
Not swimming on the roof,
we're going swimming with the ducks.
The ducks.
Quack quack.
No, we're not.
What ducks?
Nice growth, mate.
We're going to 0 floor.
Take your shoes off. So this is where your family you get changed. No, we're just going in there. Go straight through, and then you got poolside. Changing rooms.
Yeah.
You swimming?
Yes.
Yeah.
First I
You
need
leave your stuff outside. You got a little shower, a little seating area, and there's the pool.
You were holding it.
Ready?
No.
No. Very nice. Up there to the right is all the steam room and saunas. quickly show you. Your sauna. Steam room, pretty cool. And then toilets, drink, and then back out.
Fishy.
My butt actually went on the water.
Fishy.
Jacuzzi, and then this is your pool. Leo's got our towels.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 1.
Woo! There's one more look at the pool.
Shall I show you how I swim up the steps?
Go on then. And that's a jacuzzi.
No, I'm not allowed in it though.
No. And we're off. Back to the rain. Oh.
Come on, guys.
That's your swimming pool.
That's good.
I'm heading back to the left. Heading to the room.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.